Computer programming has come a long way since the invention of the first programming language, Fortran, in the 1950s. Developed by a team led by John Backus at IBM, Fortran, short for Formula Translation, was created to make it easier for scientists and engineers to write code for complex mathematical and scientific computations. Fortran revolutionized programming by introducing the concept of high-level programming languages, which allowed programmers to write code in a more human-readable form rather than using low-level machine code. This made it easier for non-programmers to learn and use, leading to widespread adoption in the scientific community. The success of Fortran paved the way for the development of other high-level programming languages such as COBOL, Lisp, and eventually C, which is still widely used today. These languages laid the groundwork for modern programming languages like Python, Java, and C++. Fortran's impact on computer programming is undeniable, and its legacy lives on in the languages and tools used by programmers today. From its humble beginnings in the early days of computing, Fortran has shaped the way we write and think about code, setting the stage for the digital revolution that continues to unfold.